Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Xiaomi Poco M3. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Poco M3 and you were wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here additional setting. After click over additional setting, you're going to find here language and import. After click over language and import, you're going to find here languages. Here you can see there is a bunch of pre-loaded languages. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this language which is named Bangladesh. Now if I go, you can see I have successfully changed my phone language English to Bangla. So this is really quite interesting. So in this way you can easily change your phone language. Now here is the things why I had made English to Bangla. Actually by mistakenly you might be change your phone language and you decide to make it English. Around the world everybody using, most of the people using their phone within English language. So if you want to change your phone language to English, you might be don't know current phone language in your phone and you want to make it English. Here is the some trick I'm going to share with you. First of all, you need to find out the gear icon, which is the setting icon. Let me go over there also. You can see this is the gear icon. So you have to click on gear icon. First of all, after that, you scroll all the way down and then we're going to find here, this is the icon, which is additional setting. So this is the icon. You have to click over on it. After click over on it, you need to click here second one, this one. So you have to choose one, the two. After click over the second one, you're going to see a skin just like this. You have to choose the first one. After here, we're going to see all the languages available. For example, I want to make my phone English United States. So this way you can easily change your mobile language in your Xiaomi Poco M3. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.